2, 1, go.
We have once again submerged to see these robots fight against each other. Team 6829 Ignite Robotics has positioned themselves out of the way for Team 1002 and 8866 to try to put some coral on top of the reef. 1002 successfully gets a coral on top of level 4 for 5 points. And on the blue line, Team 6944, the Wolverines, have placed themselves in front of the reef to place them as soon as we start in the tally-up portion of the match. At the end of the tally-up period, we're still neck and neck. Only 3 points separate these two teams. Ignite Robotics is in the feeder station with no human player in sight. Human player makes their way back over as Team 1002 goes to get some coral of their own. 8866 Innovation Robotics trying to get another coral on top of the coral reef right now as 6944 the Wolverines on the Blue Lions placed another coral on level 4 for 5 additional points. Build 4 Bib getting their coral of their own on top of the reef for 5 additional points. 6944 the Wolverines line themselves all the way up to the ocean surface, trying to get another coral on top of the reef. Can they get it? Yes, they can. Build for Dim follows behind with another one, as on the Red Alliance, Ignite Robotics getting their 5th coral of the game onto the coral reef. With only 90 seconds left remaining in the match, only 2 points separate these two teams. Team 8866 Innovation Robotics getting their coral from the coral station to bring it over to the coral reef as the circuit runners are running their circuits to place some more coral on top of the reef. Innovation in Robotics has innovated by going to the top of the reef for another 5 points for their Lions. Team 2415, the Wired Cats, trying to pick some coral off the surface of the sea right now as Build for Bib trying to get another coral on level 4 for 5 additional points. In the last minute of the match, we're still neck and neck. Only 1 point separate these two teams right now. 6829 Ignite Robotics removing an algae right now, almost in the process of moving in coral, but it stayed on. Team 9260 Build 4 Bib trying to look to defend their undefeated streak right now in the tournament by trying to get their coral on top of the reef, but unfortunately it falls to the trough on the other side for 2 points for their Lions. Team 6944, the Wolverines, are clawing away at an algae right now to get in order to place a coral for 4 points since they place it on level 3. Team 6829 Ignite Robotics is at the human player station trying to get their coral on the reef. As they line themselves up, they accidentally bump 8866 who just placed a coral of their own. Between the two, they just earned 8 points for their alliance. In the last 20 seconds of the match, the Red Alliance is in lead of 103 to the Blue Lions is 94. Team 6829 Ignite Robotics is lining up for a deep sea climb. 8866 Innovation Robotics continuing feeding those coral on top of the reef. Team 6944, the Wolverines getting some more coral from the human player station with the last 5 seconds. Only 2 points separate these teams in the air. Ignite is in the air. 24, no robots parked under blue. The Blue Lions is currently 6 points in the lead, but we'll have to wait to see what these parking is going to do to the final scores. The scores are in, and the winner for Qualification match number 41 is the Red Alliance, with a final match score of 127 to the Blue Lions' 115.